In this song, we'll be using a minor scale. Minor scales tend to sound a little bit more dark and moody. So it's still all the white notes of the keyboard, but instead of starting here, like a C major scale, we're starting here, and that makes it A minor. All right, for this track, we're going to start with drums. Let's go to drum kits, and I really like the R&B kit in BandLab. Okay, so let's pull this back to the bar, double click. I'm going to press Command A and quantize everything. So it seems like it didn't capture the first kick drum hit. That's no problem. We'll click the pencil tool here and just click right beside our kick drum there. And let's listen again. Now we have a kick drum on our first beat, which is great. And everything's in time. So we have the beat for our song. I'm just going to drag it out so it plays throughout the whole thing. All right, let's play through the drums of our song. We have our kick drum, our snare drum, and our hi-hat playing on the offbeats. So we'll play it slow here. I feel like some reverb would sound cool on these drums, so I'm going to double click the MIDI. Down here next to the MIDI editor, it says Effects. And over here on the right side, it says Reverb. So let's turn this up a bit and see how it sounds. So now it sounds like it's in a big room, which I think is cool. Let's leave it at around 36 or 37%. And let's move on to the next element. All right, next we're going to add chords to our song. For this kind of moody minor key feel, I think an acoustic guitar would sound good. All right, yeah, kind of has like a bit more of a sad vibe there. Let's quantize that. Let's take a listen. All right, awesome. Sounds good to me. Let's drag the loop out a bit. All right, let's play through the chords of our song. We start here on an A minor. And we move this shape down to a G. Down again to an F. And back up to a G. And let's play it in time. All right, let's add a melody to our track. I think a piano melody would sound cool for this. Okay, great. Let's quantize that. And take a listen. Sounds a little bit dry to me. I might add a little bit of reverb on there. The same reverb that was on the drums as well. So let's see how that sounds. Bit more. Yeah, that's cooler. Okay, great. So let's pull that there. Oh, let's quantize this again. Just move that a little bit so when we pull our clip closer to the start there, we don't lose that note. That's perfect. All right, let's play through the melody of our song. All of the notes are from the A minor scale. We'll play through it really slowly. One more time. So as you can see, the start of our melody MIDI clip doesn't line up with our drums or chords, but that's fine because it has a little bit of a pickup before the bar. And as long as it sounds good to you, then that's all that matters. Okay, great. Let's add a bass now. So we're going to add a track, and the 62p bass sounds really good. So before I start playing bass, I'm going to click down 2 times on the octave down button. And let's just make sure. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay, great. Press Command A to select all the MIDI notes and press quantize to get it all in time. Let's double check that. Let's play through the bass line for this song. First thing we're going to do is press the octave down button 2 times. Yeah, that's good. And we're going to start here on an A, down to a G, down to an F, and back up to G. And in time, let's run through our whole song here. All right, now we have our song done in A minor.